Today is a great day, I'm happy. Today is a great day, I'm happy. Today is a great day, I'm happy. Hello, you lovely creative beings all around the world. I'm greeting you from the bottom of my heart. Can you imagine what was or is the best day in your life or the best state in your life? You can think for a while. What is a state? The best state you have. So let us think a little bit about that. If the best state is in your life when you have problems? No, huh? Is the best state in your mind when you're stressed? No. Is the best state in your life when you feel uneasy, uncomfortable? No. When you have pain? No. When you have sorrows? No. So then it can be the opposite. The best state in your mind could be when you have no problems, maybe. When you feel just good. Yeah, today's a great day, I'm happy. Yes, can be. When you have no pain, when you have no sorrows. So, and when is that time? It is really, really, really easy. See, when you observe yourself, when you observe your thoughts, then whether you are thinking of the past or you are thinking of the future. Whenever you have thoughts, they are related to your past or to your future. You never have thoughts in the present moment. You can observe that. Every time the same trap, you can observe that. Okay, just kidding. That means whenever you have thoughts, it can be that there is stress. It can be that there are problems. And when you just be in the present moment, this is the best state where we can be. Almost we are never there, we are never in the present. But if you allow yourself to be in that moment, then everything is fantastic. Because there is no need. You are not in urge of something. In the present time, there is only freedom and peace. That's the truth. Dearest friends, I wish you to come to this special state where the present is waiting of you. Have a great day ahead.